Good morning to all of you. My dear children, I am going to teach you about the diazonium salts. It is the second part of your chapter amines. In this chapter, I have already discussed about the amines, how amines are produced, what are the chemical reactions shown by amines. Now I am going to teach you about the diazonium salts. See here, those compounds in which N2 plus is present are called diazonium salts. For example, if ArN2X minus is present, this compound is known as aromatic diazonium halide, or you can say salt. It is a type of diazonium salt. In this diazonium salt, Ar is an aromatic group like phenyl, etc. C6H5 is generally used at the place of Ar, and N2 is attached with this, and X minus may be Cl minus, Br minus, HSO4 minus, BF4 minus, etc. Any of the following ions can be placed at the place of X minus. These are known as diazonium salts. How diazonium salts are produced? Only one method is used for the preparation of diazonium salt, and that method is known as diazotization. What is diazotization? When aniline C6H5NH2, this aniline is treated with sodium nitrite and HCl at the temperature 273 to 278 Kelvin. At this temperature, C6H5N2Cl is formed with NaCl, and these two oxygen form 2H2O. This one is known as benzene diazonium chloride. This is also a type of diazonium salt. If HSO4 is present here, then it is known as benzene diazonium hydrogen sulfate. If BF4 minus is present here, then it is known as benzene diazonium fluoroborate. Like this. This is the process for the formation of diazonium salt. This reaction is known as diazotization. What are the physical properties shown by this compound? Physically, diazonium salts are colorless crystalline solids. Colorless crystalline solids. They are soluble in water. These are the physical properties shown by diazonium salts. Now I am going to discuss about the chemical reactions shown by diazonium salts. What are the chemical reactions shown by diazonium salt? Chemical reactions. The chemical reactions shown by diazonium salt can be categorized reactions involving displacement of diazo group. Means those reactions in which N2 is removed. First one is C6H5N2Cl, benzene diazonium chloride. On reaction with cuprous chloride, CuCl and HCl, it forms C6H5Cl and N2 is released. This one is chlorobenzene, and the reaction is known as Sand-Myers reaction. This reaction you have already discussed about the Sand-Myers reaction in haloarenes. If we take CuBr and HBr, then the product will be C6H5Br, like that. Second reaction is C6H5N2Cl, diazonium chloride. With Cu and HCl gives C6H5Cl and N2 is released. This reaction is known as Gattermann reaction. Gattermann reaction. It is also another reaction. Third reaction, C6H5N2Cl on reaction with water, means on hydrolysis, it forms C6H5OH, phenol, N2 and HCl is produced. This reaction is advanced reaction, this reaction is Gattermann reaction. And these are the some other reactions in which nitrogen is displaced by another group, and they are the grouped under reactions involving displacement of diazo group. N2 plus is diazo group. Okay. Next, fourth one, C6H5N2Cl diazonium chloride on reaction with Ki, potassium iodide. C6H5I is produced with KCl and this K combines with Cl, N2 is released and forms iodobenzene. This one is known as iodobenzene. Fifth reaction shown by this compound, C6H5N2Cl on reaction with HbF4. This one is fluoroboric acid. Keep in mind, what is this? This one is fluoroboric acid. On reaction, it forms C6H5BF4 and this H and Cl combines to form HCl and this N2 is released as such. This is an unstable compound which releases BF3 and forms C6H5F. This one is fluorobenzene. I think these are the reactions shown by this benzene diazonium chloride, in which diazo group is displaced by some other atom. Here no any diazo group is present. Now second reaction shown by this compound is reactions involving retention of diazo group. Retention means diazo group remains as such. There is no displacement of diazo group. Retention of diazo group means N2 is not displaced. Second one is, here two reactions are in your course. First one is, see here, this one is benzene diazonium chloride. You can write like this, N2Cl, and this one is phenol OH with hydrogen, releases HCl and forms this one N triple bond N, and here benzene ring with OH and HCl is released. N2 remains as such. This one is known as para-hydroxy azobenzene. This one is hydroxy group and this figure is known as azobenzene. Para-hydroxy azobenzene. This is orange dye. This is a type of dye used for dyeing various cloths and various articles. And this one is phenol and this one is benzene diazonium chloride. In this reaction, this H and Cl is released as HCl and it becomes para-hydroxy azobenzene. Here one more reaction is like this, N triple bond N, Cl plus minus plus H with aniline. This same reaction takes place here with aniline. HCl is released like this and it forms para-amino. HCl is released. This one is known as para-amino azobenzene. This is a yellow dye. Like this. These are the reactions, these are the properties shown by diazonium salts. This all about the chapter amines. Okay, you try to complete this, and in next topic, I will discuss about some other things. Okay, thank you.